Hey guys, welcome back. If you're here, that means you just filled out the secret word and now you're back with me, ready to learn about how to use stronger verbs in our sentences to make our writing better. So before we dive into that part of our lesson, we're going to do our quick check for understanding on our essential question in our lesson from yesterday. When does a verb not follow the rules of adding the ending ed when we're putting it into the past tense? So let's take a look at some examples. I want you to take a look at this sentence. She meet him at the store to purchase ice cream. Would I add ed to the end of this verb to make it the past tense? So would I say she meted him at the store to purchase ice cream? If you said no, thumbs down, you are totally right. That does not make sense. So if we would not add the ending ed, what would we change this verb to? You got it. She met him at the store to purchase some ice cream. Give yourself a little pat on the back. Good work. We're going to do a couple more. When we transitioned into Mr. McDougall's class, my son has a Paw Patroller. He was very excited to get this for his birthday, and he loves to move it all along the tile floor. Let me read that again. When we transitioned into Mr. McDougall's class, we all sitted down to show him that we are prepared. Should sit turn into sitted? No, not at all. What should it say? You're right. When we transitioned into Mr. McDougall's class, we all sat down to show him that we are prepared. Air high five. You got it. Let's do another. She never writed to me, and it was very upsetting. What do you think? She never writed to me. You're right. That doesn't make sense. You should have said she never wrote to me, and it was very upsetting. Good work. You oughter be proud of yourself. Get it? You oughta. But instead, this is a really cute picture of an otter. Get it? Oh, so funny. All right. Now that we've done a quick review of what we learned yesterday, we are good to go. We can add on to our essential questions. So let's look at that second one for today. How can we use stronger verbs to improve our writing? We know that as writers and as readers, we are always working really hard to make sure that our writing is as strong as it can be. And we do that through the revision process. That's where we write, we take a moment to step back, we reread, and we see if we need to make any edits. How many times have you maybe gotten your partner's paper and read through it and it was kind of boring? Does that happen to you? It happened to me all the time when I was in school. And the reason why a lot of my partner's work was pretty boring was because they were using verbs that, to be honest, like first graders would use. And we were in fourth grade, so we wanted to be using like fifth and sixth grade words, not first and second grade words. So today we're going to talk a little bit more about how we revise our writing to make sure we're using verbs that make us sound smarter and make us sound older and more mature as maybe fifth or sixth graders. So I want you to take a second. I want you to think of an action verb. Remember, an action verb is a verb that describes an action or something that can be done. Think of a verb. I'm going to use my mind reading skills. I think I could pick up that a lot of you were thinking of verbs like run, walk, talk, look, smile, and laugh. Those are great action verbs, if you're like a first grader. But I want us to look at one of these words in particular, talk. Let's see if we can make it stronger, make it more descriptive, make it spicier. How could we change this word talk into like a fifth or a sixth grade word? Well, I'm going to first think about synonyms. Synonym means a word that is different but has the same meaning. So I want to think of another word that isn't talk that has the same meaning as talk? Well, some synonyms that I'm thinking of are speak, chat, and babble. These are all words that mean the same thing. They all mean to talk, but you can tell these are spicier words than just the word talk. So if I were reading my own writing or my partner's writing, and I saw that they used the word talk, I might suggest to them, hey, I need you to step up your vocabulary and I need you to write like a fifth grader. I need you to use this word instead, speak or chat or babble. Okay, quick little mini lesson, but I know this is something that we've already practiced in school, so I know that we can get through it pretty quickly. What I want you to go ahead and do now is scroll down and you're going to answer the questions on your Google form. Once you click next, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.